Hello students, I welcome you in e-learning program organized by CB Khedgis College, Akkalkot. Our college is well-known reputed college in the state of Maharashtra. I am Mrs. Walekar, working in the Department of Mathematics, now taking you on the tour of learning of mathematics at the intermediate level. In this lecture, we are going to study the topic of complex number step by step. In this section second, we have already started the study of complex numbers and the concept of complex numbers has already been taught to you by me. Today, we are going to study the subpoint number 2, that is algebra of complex numbers. Further, videos on subpoints number 3 to 5 will follow in sequence. In this subpoint 2, algebra of complex number, we are going to study what are the algebra of the complex numbers, that is addition of complex numbers, subtraction of complex numbers, multiplication of complex numbers, division of complex numbers. Students, here these are the fundamental operations on the numbers. These operations are used as we use for the simple numbers. For the complex number, we are going to see when we add two complex numbers, when we subtract two complex numbers, and also multiplication and division of complex numbers, then what will we get after operating on the complex numbers. Okay, students, I will start the four subpoints of the algebra of the complex numbers. In the addition of complex numbers, suppose two complex numbers a plus bi and c plus di. These complex numbers are denoted by z. Suppose the first complex number is z1 and second complex number is z2. And z1 is equal to suppose a plus bi and z2 is equal to c plus di. When we add these two complex numbers, then how to add this complex number? Let us see. We add the real parts of these two, that is the real part of the complex number z1 is suppose a, and the real part of the second complex number, that is c. When addition of complex number is performing, then we add first the real parts of these complex numbers, that is a plus c. Next, when these two complex number get performed the addition of the complex number, then we add the second part of these complex numbers, means the imaginary parts of this complex number, that is b plus d. Okay, and into the imaginary number I. Okay, you get it? First, we add the real parts of these two complex numbers and then we add the imaginary parts of this complex number. I will explain in this diagram also. Let us see here the x-axis and y-axis. These two axes you know already. Okay. The x-axis is called as a real line and y-axis is called as a imaginary line. When two numbers we have to taken in the first quadrant, then it becomes z1 and z2 and addition of this is the resultant point. Let us see in the diagram. Okay. Let us take one example. Suppose the first complex number is 2 plus 3i and second complex number is 1 plus 5i. add these two complex numbers. Okay, let us see how to addition is taken here. 2 plus 1 means first 2 is the real part of the first complex number and 1 is the real part of the second complex number. We have to taken the addition of these real parts of these two complex numbers, that is 2 plus 1. And secondly, in the bracket, that is the imaginary parts of these two complex numbers is first is 3i and second complex number contain the imaginary part, that is 5i. And the imaginary parts are added here, that is 3 plus 5 in the bracket, and out of the bracket it is written as I, means the imaginary part of these complex numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8i. This is the addition of the two complex numbers. The next sub point of the complex numbers, algebra of complex numbers, that is subtraction of complex number. This is one of the fundamental operation we operate on the numbers. Okay, let us see here. These are the two complex numbers, that is a plus bi minus c plus di. These are the two complex number. When we subtract these two complex numbers, such as like the addition of the complex number, we perform the subtraction on the complex number. That is, let us take the real parts of these complex numbers and imaginary parts of the complex number and perform the subtraction, that is fundamental property, on these numbers. That is, it gets a minus c. This is the real part of the real real part of the complex number, and the imaginary part is b minus d into I. This is the subtraction of the complex numbers. Let us take now the example for this. That is, first complex number is 2 plus 3i. Second complex number is 1 plus 5i. And perform the subtraction on these two complex numbers. That is fundamental operation on these two complex number is, that is subtraction of two complex numbers, that is real parts of the complex number, that is 2 and 1, that is 2 minus 1. Middle sign is plus because there is plus sign for the imaginary parts. Therefore, we take the middle sign is plus and take the subtraction of the imaginary parts of the complex number, that is 3 minus 5 and into I. That is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 3 minus 5 becomes minus 2. Therefore, the middle sign becomes minus and minus of 2i. And lastly, it what becomes after the subtraction of two complex number? It becomes itself a new complex number to us. And I will explain it, that is the subtraction of the two complex number for the diagram. That is, a real line means the x-axis and the imaginary line means the y-axis. And I have taken next point of the algebra of the complex number is, that is the third point, that is a multiplication of complex number. How to multiply? Let us see here. Let us take two complex numbers. That is, first complex number is a plus bi and the second complex number is c plus di. Let us see how to perform the multiplication on two complex numbers. Let us see here, first bracket a into c minus b into d means what? First we multiply bracket of the first term, that is a multiplied with c and b multiplied with d. Okay, then next multiplication becomes, let us multiply with the second part of the complex number of the second complex number, that is a into d. plus b into c. And the imaginary part means I is taken out of the bracket. That is AC minus b into d. What is the meaning of this minus sign? B into d, when we multiply, then I into I gets multiplied. What is I into I? I into I is I square. And I square means minus 1. Therefore, we get the minus sign between AC and BD. Therefore, it becomes AC minus BD. Minus sign is for I square. I square is equal to negative quantity of 1, that is minus 1. That is the imaginary number. That is, it becomes when multiplied by two complex numbers a plus bi into c plus di, that is equal to ac minus bd, and we separately write the imaginary part of the multiplication of the complex numbers, that is a into d plus b into c, and take common I from these two terms, then it becomes AD plus BC, and bracket completed, and out of the bracket we write I as the imaginary number. Okay, this is the multiplication of the two complex numbers. Let us see the example of this complex number is, first complex number is 2 plus 3i, that is the first bracket. In the second bracket, we take the second complex number, that is 1 plus 5i. As usually, we see the multiplication of the two complex numbers such as like we multiply these two complex numbers. Means multiply first element of the first bracket to the second bracket. That is 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 5 is 10, that is 10i. 2 plus 10i. Next, multiply by 3i to the bracket 1 plus 5i. 3i into 1 is 3i. 3 into 5 becomes 15, and I into I becomes I square, and I square becomes minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into 15 becomes minus 15. Therefore, we take the real parts, that is 2 minus 15 in the first bracket, and plus we separate the imaginary part of this complex number, that is multiplication is 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 5, that is 10. 3 into 1 is 3, that is 10 plus 3, and separately we write I as out of the bracket. 2 minus 15 becomes minus 13, and plus 10 plus 3 becomes 13, and I. This becomes a new complex number from the multiplication of the two complex numbers, that is minus 13 plus 13i. We have already here seen that 13 is common between these two. Then we have also take the common from these two, that becomes 13 out of the bracket, and minus 1 plus I. It is also the answer of the multiplication of two complex numbers. Okay, you get it, students. Next point of the algebra of complex numbers is division of complex numbers. Let us take two complex numbers, that is a plus bi divided by c plus di. How to perform the division of the complex numbers is as like, write this division as it is, but multiply by the denominator of the conjugate of the denominator, multiply and divide by the conjugate of the complex number which is in the denominator. In the numerator, a plus bi is one of the complex number, and in the denominator there is one of the another complex number, that is c plus di, and take the conjugate of the complex number of the denominator. In the denominator, c plus di, it is the complex number. Take its conjugate. Its conjugate is c minus di. We already seen this complex conjugate of the numbers. Okay. Then multiply and divide by the complex conjugate of the denominator, that is c minus di. Multiply it and divide by it, that is c minus di with the multiplication and with the division, that is becomes, the numerator becomes a plus bi into c minus di, and we have to already perform the multiplication of the two complex numbers. Then perform the fundamental property of the multiplication with the denominator also and with the numerator also. Multiplication of these two brackets, a plus bi into c minus di, it becomes a into c minus a into di plus b into c minus b into d into I is I square. Then what is I square? This I square becomes minus 1. Therefore, the sign of b into d changes to plus. Then next term becomes a c plus b d, and take the imaginary numbers separately in the numerator, that is ac plus bd is the real part of this complex number, plus bc minus ad, and take the bracket for this, and out of the bracket write the imaginary number I. AC plus BD plus BC minus AD into I. This becomes again one of the complex number in the denominator C. C minus DI into C plus DI means it becomes as like the formula for A plus B into A minus B, that is you know already it, the formula for this a minus b, a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Perform the operation on this denominator, that is a means here c and b means here di, that is a square means c square plus, that is plus sign, how becomes it, minus of d square into I square means I square becomes minus 1, then minus minus becomes plus d square. Then in the denominator, a square minus b square formula we are used here. Then it becomes the denominator c square plus d square. Okay. How to perform the division of the complex number? You understand, students? Let us see, students, how to divide the two complex numbers. Let us take the first complex number in the numerator, that is 6 minus 7i divided by 1 minus 2i. What will we do it first? That is take the complex conjugate of the denominator of the complex number. The numerator keep as it is. In the numerator, 6 minus 7i is one of the complex number. In the denominator, 1 minus 2i keep as it is and take the complex conjugate of 1 minus 2i, that is 1 plus 2i. Multiply and divide by the complex conjugate to the given complex numbers. Let us see the numerator 6 minus 7i into 1 plus 2i. Multiply these two brackets, and in the denominator 1 minus 2i and 1 plus 2i. These two brackets separately we have to multiply. In the numerator, multiply by 6 to the bracket 1 plus 2i. Then 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 2 is 12i minus 7i, multiply the bracket, that is minus 7i into minus 7 into 2 is 14, that is minus 14. I into I becomes I square. And this becomes I square is equal to minus 1 and minus minus becomes plus 14. 6 plus 14 and minus 7i plus 12i becomes plus 5i. In the denominator, 1 minus 2i, 1 plus 2i, this is as like a minus b and a plus b. Use the formula for this, that is a square minus b square. A is here 1 and b is here 2i. Therefore, a square is 1 square and b square is 2i square. I square means minus 1 again and minus minus becomes plus 2 square. 1 square plus 2 square in the denominator. In the numerator, 6 plus 14 becomes 20 plus 5i divided by 1 plus 4 becomes 5. Divide separately by 5 to each term of the complex number in the numerator. That is 20 divided by 5 plus 5i divided by 5. That is equal to 5 4s are 20. Therefore, it becomes 4. 5 cancel and becomes plus I. That is division of the two complex numbers becomes again one of the another new complex number. We get the new complex number, that is 4 plus I. Okay. Okay, student, do you get this division of complex numbers? Students, we have up till now studied the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of complex numbers. If you have any difficulties in understanding these concepts, you may send your queries to me. In the next lecture, I will be taking the next point of the complex numbers, that is geometrical representation of complex numbers. Please go through the same and be ready for the next lecture. Stay at home and healthy. Thank you, students.